Hi, Ralph. This is Rob Cameron with Choice One Mobile. You were going to have a meeting with one of our representatives, Chris Lawrence, and I just wanted to create this quick consultation of your social media presence and where we would be able to help you or direct you in a way that will help your business grow. I see that you just got your blog and website set up, which looks really good, and I'm going to go ahead and start with going to your Facebook page. Now, this link to and from, the majority of your clientele or potentials are going to be spending the majority of their time on Facebook right now. That is our key special area that we work in. You have an opt-in form here for a free report. These are all great things that are good to use in your Facebook page to bring people to and from and to capture those leads. So I wanted to go ahead and head to your Facebook page, and when I get there, and I'm sure you're probably in the process of moving this direction as well, but in the area you have up here is completely gray. Your cover art area, I would suggest mirroring your website with your logo and putting a design inside the cover art area, and as well as your profile image, having an engaging profile image that fits securely with your logo or something like that. Obviously, you guys just got things ramped up, so I'm assuming you didn't start your Facebook page too long ago. There are some things you're not utilizing in these areas that can help with your marketing and utilizing some of your content and your opt-in forms or anything you're giving out there. You can create uh, applications or through these thumbnail applications, you can create landing pages that will promote and send links anywhere you want to direct them. So when I went through your page real fast, I noticed that you talked about your website launch last year, and you're talking about improving the content and moving forward, and then you have a special offer on a book for caring for artwork. I don't know what the special is. I know I can click the link to go find it, but I think if there's offers on the table that you have, you should be pin posting these features, and you should be creating thumbnail landing pages so that you can really drive traffic easier than putting it through your wall. Your wall is always moving, so it constantly moves towards the bottom. When you're capturing someone's search attention, you want to make sure that they're always focusing in on the top part of your fan page so that you can direct them where you need them to go. So there's a lot involved in running a proper social media campaign for your business, not just with Facebook, with Twitter, LinkedIn. I see that you have the icons at the bottom of your website. So there's so many different things you can handle. Just putting dots on the map really isn't going to connect everything together unless it's being engaged and utilized properly with the proper content management, comment marketing, and things like that. So what I ended up doing is actually doing a Google search. I'll have to do another one. I did a Google search for custom picture frames, which is what you guys do. And I immediately noticed the Google Place listings that have these businesses in Phoenix that do similar things to what you do. And I pretty much went through every one of these. I didn't find you ranking anywhere within this first page for those keywords, custom picture frames. And Google already knows where I'm at for my location, so they're targeting all of these. I went to the Hall of Frames, and they have their Facebook link sitting here at the top, which is a good location for your icons just because most people focus their attention to the top. And when I went to their Facebook page, they're using their cover art to do some branding for what they do and giving information as to what they do in their workshop. But they're really not, I mean, they're doing a little bit of engaging. They have 202 fans, which isn't an overwhelming amount, but they don't have any thumbnail apps that they're using for landing pages or any of the sort. So they're really not engaging the right way. They just kind of utilize the cover art and their wall management a little bit to make sure they're doing stuff, but they're also not doing it the greatest. So then I went to Framing Works on East Thomas. They have a really nice looking website. They're not doing Facebook at all, so this is an area of competition that is easily grabbed based on the fact that there's people out there on Facebook that are spending all their time there, and that's where you want to be. The next one I went to was Designer Art Direct Custom Framing Store. They have a pretty nice looking website. They have all their icons for their blog, Pinterest, Yelp. Their Facebook page, they're not doing it at all. They are offering a coupon app, which is a small version of provoking people into liking the page. They give a 50% off on all custom framing for doing that. That's a way to build fans, but obviously it's not really working for them because they only have 83. They're not engaging anywhere within their wall, so they're really not even focused on this. Here's another area that a company's dropping the ball, where you potentially could be picking up those clients. Fast Frame, this is another one here in Phoenix. They're also doing Facebook. They've created cover art image, their profile, but they're also not using any of the thumbnail apps that are here for your marketing. They're not really engaging too much. So as far as the market, I mean, everybody's pretty much set up with Facebook, but the majority of them aren't utilizing their tools properly. To give you an example of really using your thumbnails to do some marketing and engaging, you can customize these thumbnail apps. You can move them around, change them. We put get free in here. Obviously, that entices people. They click on it, and it takes them to a full-size landing page, custom designed, with all the information about how to help a business increase sales, fans, and followers. Absolutely free. Then we put our opt-in in here. People fill it out to get the book. Get it now. We now have a lead that we've captured for future offers. We've also created a welcome thumbnail that talks about social media. We put a customized video in here, another opt-in, and we have links that will direct anybody to any part of our website that we want them to go. We want to request a quote. This will take them directly to our website. They want to check out our services, get noticed online, just visit our website. And here we are on our website. So there are a lot of things you can be doing to offset the game on a social presence. I see you guys are really pushing your blog, but this area, if ignored, could be potential loss in business, because word of mouth is big. If somebody's posting about getting frames somewhere or checking in somewhere and they post about it, you want to be in that conversation, and the only way to do that is to increase your fan base, create some call to actions inside your thumbnails, and really push on your wall for marketing. And that's, getting into groups, going into comments that other people are leaving in other like type businesses that would be a good lead for you. It'd be smart to go in there and start liking and engaging there so that they can see your brand showing up in their notification, and it's sending them back to your brand of business for what you're doing. You can put your store in here. Anything you're doing on your regular website, you can be done in here. On your information page, you have some good information here. Your basic info, there's not enough information here. This is where you can have SEO value for Google, and this will start helping you be seen in some of those searches, because Facebook content is pushing a lot faster than regular content blogs, and it's being seen in Google searches for your area for those keywords. So make sure that you're filling these gaps in that can really turn around what you're doing in your social platform. Again, my name's Rob. I'm the social media consultant for Choice One Mobile and Choice One Social. So I hope that Chris can find something that works for you in our packages or our a la carte, and start somewhere to where we can move together. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Have a great day.